Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Muhammad Faris and today I will show and present based on our group project. So our group project, our network consists of two IPs which are public IP and private IP. Public IP consists the host and private IP consists three different servers which are firewall server, web server and database server. Let's begin with a brief introduction of firewall server. It acts as a barrier between a trusted internet network and an external network, such as the internet. It helps protect our network infrastructure by controlling incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predefined rules. Next, we move on to web server. Web server is a software or hardware system that serves web pages and other resources to clients over the internet. It plays a crucial role in delivering websites and web applications to users around the world. So today, we will explore the key components and functionalities of a web server. And lastly, for the private IP, we will discuss about a data server. A data server is a computer or system designed to store, manage, and provide access to large amounts of data. It serves as a centralized for various types of data, such as documents, files, database, and more. Today, we will also explore the key components and its functionalities of a data server. So first, we have to set up the virtual machine by changing the network to bridge adapter 1 and bridge adapter 2. So as you can see, it's already changed here. And then after we set up this virtual machine, we will install the HTTPD service by using the command yum -y install HTTPD. After install the HTTPD service, we we can start the HTTPD service, check its status by using system control start HTTPD, system enable HTTPD, and system status has HTTPD. We can check whether it's active and running by using all these commands. And then we can change the configuration of endpost tree, and endpost tree network by using the prompt v and change its IP address. Follow the network IP with the host PC. So we have to follow the network IP with the host PC to able to connect with host PC and change its configuration of endpost 8 network by using the same configuration and change its IP address. So after we enter this command, we can see that the IP address, we have to change the IP address and change the default to yes. So it works same as the for the mpost 8, we have to change its IP address. So as we can see, it's already been changed, and then after we change the mpost 3 and mpost 8, we have to restart the network by using the prompt system control restart network. Sorry, it's typo. System control. Stop that. Okay. After it's done, we can check whether the IP has been changed or not by using the command if config command. If config command. So we can see we can scroll up down to see the mpost 3 and mpost 8. Its IP command has been changed. As we can see, the one for mpost 3 it's 192.168.100.200, and for the mpost 8 it's 192.168.120.10. So after check the IP, so we can from the command system control mask IP6 tables, IP tables, and EB tables. So it's done. Then we can proceed to check whether the device mpost 3 and mpost 8 have connected or not by using the command and mcli/d. So as we can see, the mpost 3 and mpost 8 has been connected. Then we move on to check the current active zone of the interfaces with firewall with using the command firewall/cmd. This one, okay, by using this command. So we can see that the DMZ, which is the demilitarized zone, is interface of its interfaces is mpost 3, and for the public its interfaces is mpost 8. So after that, we if both of them in public, add the mpost 3 to the demilitarized zones to make it as private connection by using by using this command. Yes, by using this command. So when we see it is a seed to uh to add the ampostry to the demetailized zones. And after that, we add the service HTTP and HTTPS to both interfaces by using this command. Then we can see that it's a seed. And after that, we um, we also for mpost 3, we also for mpost 8, we also add the HTTP and the HTTPS by using this command. Okay, so it's already succeed. So, and after that, we edit the file. Edit this file, which is we have to use the command v and slash of each file. Then we add the line net.ipv.ip underscore forward equal to 1. After add this, we can check with this command. Sorry. We can check with this command. So it stated that the line we have added in the file just now. And after that, after done all of this, we can reload the firewall to save the configuration by using this command firewall -md reload. Then we can see it's a seed. So after that, we can check the connectivity by browsing the firewall IP into the host PC web page. So if it's appear an Apache test page, then it's a C. Since we already done all of the step with the web server and database server, so it appears like this. So that's for the firewall server. Then I will continue with the database and if we continue with the web server, as in the firewall server configuration, we need to do the same thing, which is we need to install the HTTPD service in the web server. After we install the HTTPD service, we need to enter this command to configure the interface. We need to enter the v command to configure the interface of mpost 3. So after using this command, we have to add the API address and make sure the network address is in same network with firewalls and post 8. So we enter. As you can see, we have edit the and add the address. And after we add the address, we need to restart the network with the system control command and check the IP address with ifconfig command. So as you can see, after we enter the ifconfig command, we can see that endpost 3 with this IP address. And after that, we can, as usual, we can start enable and check the status of the HTTPD service by using these three commands, which is system control start, HTTPD, enable, and status, whether to see if it's active and running. And after that, we need to enter the firewall server. We to add the forward port as same as the first one we did by using the command firewall. So when we enter the firewall server, we need to enter this command, which is to list all the demilitarized zone and check the interfaces. After that, we should reload the firewall and check again, same as the first one just now, and check again with using the same command. And we get this. After that, we need to go back to the web server and we should do the firewall configuration, which is we need to enter the firewall. We need to enter the firewall config command on web server and set it to the permanent and change of its services to HTTP and reload the firewall. And after that, we can use this command, which is change directory into this file and edit file index.html and change the headline just to differentiate whether the web page is belong to firewall or web server. So after change, we can restart the HTTPD service by using this command, which is systemctl restart HTTPD and firewall systemctl restart HTTPD service and check the web page on host PC whether it has changed or not. So because we have done this group project, the web page on host PC same as the first one we checked, which is we already done. So that's the configuration on web server, and after this I will continue with the database server. So we continue with the database server. Firstly, we have to edit the file in this file, um, and change its IP address. As we can see, the IP address has been changed to 192.168.120.30. So after we change the IP address of the database server, we need to install the three services, which is HTTPD service, PHP service, and MariaDB service. After we install all the services, we need to start all the services. After we start it, all those three services, we can create a database by using the command mysql -u root -p. And after that, we can create the database based on our own creativity. And then next step is we have to add the port by using this command. And then after we add the port, which is 3306 TCP ports, we have to reload the firewall. And then we move on to the web server. Which is we move on to the web server, which is we have to go to the file /var/www and /html, and we have to add the web page configuration into the file. We have to use the vim command, and then we have to add the file that we create, which is create.html, create.php, and read.php, and index.html to add all the web page configuration into this file, into all these files. And after that, we have to make sure the file that we add and the document in it, the document root is in /var/www and /html. Then we have to check the HTTP can network connect by using all this prompt. By using this prompt, which is get symbol -a. If it's off, we have to turn it on by this command, which is set symbol. But it's already on because we have done this project. So we want to make sure, so we check it again to use get symbol -a command, and it's already on. And after that, the last step is we need to restart the HTTPD service on web server. So after restart, we can look to the web page, So this is our final product, which is we on our web page we can we put the ad review and review list. On this ad review, we can add the name and order of the customer, and then they can put the stars that they want to rate our order, which is 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, up until 5 star, and they can submit their rate to our coffee shop. So next, we also have the review list, which is all the list of our customer that have rate our Boombuds coffee rating. So that's all from us, the group project. Thank you.